Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping and day 2 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today our sketch is by Shannon Keith. I'll pop a picture up on the top left so that you can see it better. I've just printed these in black and white to save a bit of ink in the printer, but when you see them in colour they look so much nicer. So the sketch is in the top left corner, and I am scrapping today this photo of my daughter when she was quite little, and the look on her face having that cake is just really funny. I can't decide whether she's kissing the cake or she's just pulling a funny face, but it's a funny moment, so going to scrap that. What I'm using is a collection from Basic Grey called RSVP. Now I believe Basic Grey haven't made any papers for quite some time. They've got out of the paper crafting world apparently. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't bought anything for quite some time. So this is a 2013 dated collection, and I've chosen the cupcake paper and a few others to use. I also have some stamps, so some cupcakes and then some flowers, doilies, enamel dots, some inks for the stamping, and a few bits and bobs that I found that might go along with what I want to do. Alright, so I will fast forward you now and you can watch me create the page. Okay, so I'm nearly done here, just adding the finishing touches. I want to have a quick chat about how I adjusted the sketch to suit me and my style. The sketch has what appears to be a watercolour multimedia background. I don't do well with them, so I stay clear from them most times. So yeah, didn't go there. I used the cupcake paper to represent the hexagons on the sketch, and I think that worked quite well. I love the pop of colour from the stamped flowers. That turned out really well and picks up the darker purple that I used in the frame around the photo. I have the title in the same place that the sketch has the title, and it's sitting on a journaling block, so that is where I will write my journaling. Also the same with a large floral spray down the bottom right corner, that's where it is on the sketch. And the top right, I've used the row of cupcakes to represent where that B is on the sketch. So my layout still has lots of elements from the sketch, but sketches are open to interpretation, so there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, so what we'll be following are some close-ups of the page, and I encourage you to check out the playlist down below and see what everyone else has created, all their beautiful pages and how they have interpreted the sketch. If you've liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell when you do, so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.